You're probably familiar with the heel toe twist. And then you probably have checked that I already have reversed it. So let me explain you how to reverse it real quick. You start with the heel toe twist, the regular one. Twist. Switch position, twist. Switch position, twist. Switch position, twist. And from here, instead of switching the position, you just stop again and twist reverse. 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 Hop again, twist out, regular. Just try it sometimes. Step again, twist to the inside again. Reverse. Reverse. I will just show it you from the back perspective. Regular one, like this. Twist, 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 twist. Jump again. Reverse it. Switch, reverse. Switch, reverse the twist. Switch, reverse, twist. And so on. Have fun with the moves. For more tutorials, check out my YouTube channel, Paddy Moves. Hope to see you there. Much love. Peace.